Hi, so in today's video I'll be showing you how I made this low bun with just flaxseed gel. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming to watch my videos, and if you are new here, please do subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it. So let's get right into this video. So I started on freshly washed hair and I applied shea butter on it, like just to seal in moisture and to prevent flaking. Is that called flaking? Yeah, to prevent flaking by the time I start applying the gel. So when it dries up, there won't be those crunches, I think. Yeah. So actually at the end of the day, after everything, it was not there. So I did assume it was because of this um shea butter that I applied. But if you think it was another reason, do let me know in the comment section. It had no smell, guys. Nothing. I started by applying the flaxseed gel in different sections of my hair to make sure it's properly incorporated, like it properly gets into each strand of my hair, so you'll be able to lay down flat. You can also use flaxseed gel for wash and go, but you just need to make sure you separate the your curls individually. I didn't do that because I was at the end of the day going to pack it into a low bun, but I just wanted to get it into every part of my hair. But if you want to do that, make sure you separate it individually, and so you'll be able to get a proper curl pattern. The benefits of flaxseed gel are: it promotes quick and longer hair growth by nourishing the roots. Vitamin E in the flaxseed nourishes the scalp while reducing free radical damage. Flaxseed gel is abundant in protein, omega-3 fatty acid, fiber, and antioxidants. This helps the nourishment of your scalp and it makes your hair thick. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe if you have not already subscribed. Click on your notification button so you get notified every time I post a video. Thank you. How flaxseed gel can be used. Flaxseed gel can be used for wash and go. Flaxseed gel can also be used to replace your gel, like I used in this video. I use it as gel for low bun. Flaxseed gel is also a great detangler because it has a great sleep. It has nice sleep, and so you can use it to detangle your hair and minimizing breakage. You can also use flaxseed gel for pre-poo. Flaxseed gel, just like any other gel, works best with wet hair or hair with some amount of moisture. That means you cannot use flaxseed gel on your dry hair, so make sure your hair has a certain amount of moisture before you use it for maximum effect. Flaxseed gel can be used daily or just during wash days. Either one works for you. Just make sure you know your hair type and what works for you, because flaxseed gel has a lot of protein. It's very abundant in protein. I would not recommend flaxseed gel for low porosity, because low porosity and protein, they don't really see eye to eye that much, like a lot of protein, and flaxseed gel has that. So after putting it and tying my hair back, I I tied my hair with a scarf and left it for some hours. I also used blow dryer to dry it up a bit. This is it. The back was still kind of wet though, but I really liked how it turned out. It turned out really nice and it was flat. It was very, very nice, and I really did not expect it to do this much, but yes. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.